Hi y'all, it's me, Miss Kree. I'm back again today with another video. So today I have Famous Amos. I have some rice, cucumbers, sausage, some butter sauce, and some eggs. I also have the salt and vinegar seasoning. And I have some nice old water, some H2O. So yeah. Let's get into it. God, thank you for this food I'm about to receive. Amen. All right, y'all. So, how are y'all? What's been going on? What's new? Let me get me a napkin before it be all over my shirt. How y'all been? Y'all been okay? I hope so. Set these over here out the way so I can get to the rice. I got a plate over here. I think I'm just gonna put, yeah, I'll leave a few up here. And I'll put the rest on the plate. Like me an egg too. Y'all, I lost my earring. I swear. I don't know if I lost it at the park of the street where I went to go walk. I don't know if I lost it at the Walmart. I don't know where I lost it at. Oh well. I went back to the park. I didn't see it. But, you know, who knows? Everything goes in the butter. Yep. I ain't put no sauce. I don't know why I keep saying sauce. Season. Oh boy, y'all. I don't really got a whole lot to say. The other day, I think the guy that's a few houses down, he must was cheating or something. Because I heard all this yelling and stuff outside. It was two girls that were out there talking to him. The two girls group was together. So, they was just a fussing. I couldn't hear what they were saying. But I heard him say, man, don't be coming to my house. Don't be coming to my house. And I was like, oh, uh-oh. And this had to go on for about at least 20 minutes. He fussing at them, telling them don't be coming to his house. And they fussing at him about something. I don't know why I couldn't hear what they were saying. But I heard him though. Told him don't come to his house. But whatever he was doing, he shouldn't have been doing it. I don't know if he was cheating. I don't know what happened. But yeah, that was a mess. But then the girls walked away. They walked up past my house, but they went like diagonally. So I don't know. They must live in the neighborhood somewhere. But he ain't appreciate it. But whatever he did, he shouldn't have done it. Let's get another one of these eggs. Midnight, don't start it, please. You can't have none, Betty. You can't have none. I swear those red pepper flakes, man. Is there something else I could use that has a good flavor to it that's hot other than red pepper flakes? Because I swear I hate biting on them little hard parts. Something that don't really change the taste. All the stuff is just falling off. Turn it sideways and dip it down in there. Hey, there we go. There we go. Have y'all heard that Trey song? I think it's nice. It's talking about, you know, what's going on, the things that's going on in the world. I mean, I'll give you a hot dog or something. You can't have this because the sausage is hot too. Whew. This last bite for me, y'all. Y'all, oh my goodness. Woo. It's just like all of a sudden, I am so full and so tired all at the same time. Somewhere on my tooth. That damn seed. Anyway. Oh my goodness. Sorry, y'all. Anyway, thank y'all for watching my video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to hit the bell so you be notified when I put up another video. Don't forget to give the video a thumbs up. And until the next video, Toodles.